This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And this is a brand new 2025 Peterbilt 589. It's a 290-inch wheelbase. It's got the 131-inch hood. It's got a 13,200-pound capacity steer axle, air disc brakes. She's riding around a Michelin 11R 24.5. Air disc brakes all the way around. Over here we've got a 110-gallon left-hand fuel tank, frame-mounted toolbox, Peterbilt polished aluminum wheels. There's a 40,000-pound rears, low air leaf suspension, 370 gears. Over here we have another frame-mounted toolbox and a 150-gallon fuel tank. Our 30-inch Hogue-built stainless quarter fenders. We put lights under the cab. Put lights in front of the air cleaners. Got the dog leg lights. Big stainless drop visor. 4 roof-mounted air horns. Got our rock guards under the headlights. Texas style front bumper. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood we've got our Cummins X15. This one's 565 horse, 1850 torque. Got 18-speed manual transmission. Our battery jump start studs mounted out here on the frame. We get inside, we've got our platinum interior, leather air ride seats. Our extra dash gauges, AM/FM radio with Bluetooth and satellite. Got our Cobra CB radio mounted up here in the center of the header. This is an 80-inch high roof. It is double bunk. Cabinet storage down here. Sleeper controls. There's our upper bunk. Pull the handle, comes down. Got our 22-inch flat screen TV mount over there. Wardrobe cabinet. Below there we have our 1.8 cubic foot refrigerator. So if you can use this, give me a call, 706-372-4698. We also have 2 2026s in stock and ready to go with the same specs. And we have plenty of 2027s rolling in. So give me a call. If you don't see what we have, I could probably get it.